Okay, we're heading to Gainesville on the Curia food truck at Curia on the Drag. It used to be Curia off the drag. Most of their food anyway, a lot of their food is on the food truck, but they closed down back in March. So that's what's left is some of the food selections. We'll see what they have. Here it is.
You have reached your destination.
Alright, well, since it's a food truck and it's mobile, I am going to take my dinner over to Supercharger in Ocala because I got to charge anyway and it's about 30 minutes away. Alright, now that I'm charging, I can eat. Well, it's not the most environmentally friendly packaging. Here is the jackfruit quesadilla. I am hungry and that looks good. And that is good, really good. So far, I am highly recommending this. It's good. I'm down to the last of 4 pieces already. Alright, here's the Korean kimchi noodles. Got lots of veggies and looks like the sauce and noodles down below. So I'm just going to put the sauce on here. So there's mushrooms in there as well, and this is what's left with when you mix it all up. Very good, very tasty. I really like the sauce. It's definitely a little spicy, and I like that. Almost done now. Okay, I really like both of those dishes. I would highly recommend them to anybody. I mean, they're not, I don't think they're organic or anything, but they're really good.